In today's video, I am going to show you how to make money online with CPA marketing, and this is XB marketing with another video. So I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step process on how to start making money online with CPA marketing. So in this video, I'm going to show you a simple strategy that you can use to drive unlimited leads to your CPA account. All right, so without wasting any more time, let's get the video started. So the first thing you want to do right here, as you can see, this account right here has made $9 so far for today. So I'm going to refresh this page right now for those who might be doubting. So as you can see, everything remained the same, and you can see right here, these are the earnings for today on this account. All right, so if I scroll down, you can see these are the leads that were collected today. All right, so basically what you want to do from here to start making money with CPA marketing, the first thing you want to do is you need content. All right, you want to look for a content to start making money with CPA marketing. So the first thing you want to do is, I'm going to share two websites with you, and the first one is freeplrdownloads.com. So basically you want to come over to this website right here. So once you come over to this website, you want to type in YouTube on the search bar right here. So I'm going to be taking YouTube as an example, but as always, you can do this with any niche of your choice. All right, so once you type in YouTube in the search bar right here, and by the way, this website gives you free ebook that you can use for absolutely free. You can even edit this ebook to with anything you want. Literally, you can do absolutely anything you want with them. You can sell them, you can do whatever you want with these ebooks. All right, so basically once you type in YouTube in the search bar right here, you're going to see a bunch of results and free ebooks that you can download for absolutely free and start content locking them right away. So now once I type in YouTube here, like I said, I'll be taking this as an example. So you can see a lot of ebooks about YouTube right here. See this one that says how to get 10,000 real YouTube views in a week, and a lot of YouTubers are struggling to get views and subscribers and stuff. So basically giving them this ebook is going to be something they would want to look into, since it's going to help them to get views. All right, so they would definitely want to check it out. So now I'm going to be taking this one as an example right here, crushing it with YouTube. So basically you can go with any of these ebooks that you want. So I'm going to click this one right here. So once I click on that, as you can see, it contains 32 pages right here, and you can see a little bit of description about this ebook. And also you can see the size of the ebook right here. All right, so basically all I need to do is click on this download button right here. So as you can see, it has downloaded to my PC right away. So the second website where you can get free content to log is idplr.com. so if you come over to this website, the same thing, you want to type in whatever niche you are going to be content logging. All right, so like I said, I'm also taking YouTube here as an example. So if I type in YouTube here, you can see right here a bunch of content about how to grow on YouTube and how to market your YouTube channel. All right, so these are free content, free product that you can use to help you grow your YouTube channel. So basically you want to download any of this content that you want. So once you have your content downloaded either from idplr.com or freeplrdownloads.com, now we're going to move to the next step, which is making a content locker. So you want to go back to your CPA account and you want to go to the monetization tools, and this could be CPA Grip, CPA Build, OG Ads, AdWork Media, or whatever CPA network you want to use. All you just need to do is go to the tools section and you want to go to the content lockers. So if you go to the content locker, all you need to do is click on this, create a new content locker. So basically what you want to do from here, you want to give your content locker a name. So if you say YouTube, click on, you want to make sure it's select to unload, and also you want to add the link to this ebook that you just downloaded. So you want to upload this ebook to maybe Dropbox, Google Drive, or wherever you want to upload the ebook to. You get the point? So once you've uploaded that, then you want to paste in the link right here. Okay, so once you have the link pasted right here, then you want to come back to this advanced section, and you want to choose the number of conversions that you want. It's up to you to choose the amount of conversions that you want, and this basically means the amount of offers they need to complete on your content locker before they will have access to download the ebook. So you want to set that to whatever you want. It's really up to you. And then once you've done that, you can come to this desktop section and you can change this locked content to whatever you want it to say. All right, so basically you can just type in something simple like that, and you can do the same. And also you can see right here, this is a preview for those who visit this link on PC. So this is what they're going to see if they visit your link on PC. And for mobile, as you can see right here, if I click on this mobile, so this is how your content locker is going to appear on mobile devices. So the same thing if you type in download YouTube guide. All right, so now you can also mention, so basically you can type in something simple like this: complete an offer below to unlock ebook. All right, so you can reward it however you want it. Once you're done with that, basically all you just need to do is click on create locker. All right, so once you click on that, then you want to grab your link by clicking on action right here if you're on OG ads. All right, and then you want to click on this view details. So once you click on that, you will be able to get your link right here. And also you can choose any domain that you want to use. All right, if you want to use this verify spot, as you can see right here, you can change it. So basically you can use any of this domain that you want, or you can use your own domain if you want to. All right, so now once you've chosen the domain you want, it's going to give you a custom link to this content locker. So now all you just basically need to do is copy this link right here. And the final thing you want to do is to create a landing page for your content locker. So if you try promoting this CPA link like this, it may get your account banned and stuff. So you want to create a landing page to keep your account safe and also to boost your conversion rate. All right, so now as you can see, this is a simple landing page that I made, and you can make a similar landing page like this. You want to have an image of the ebook that they will be getting, and you want to type in a simple text right here: crushing it with YouTube in 2022, download free guide below. And then you want to have your content locker in this button right here. So once they click on this, they will be directed to your content locker. So if they complete the CPA offer, they will get access to the content locker. And like I said, if your traffic is targeted, they will definitely complete these offers to get this content since they are not paying for it. So now one of the best ways to get traffic is YouTube. So you basically want to go onto your YouTube and type in how to grow on YouTube. All right, so if you go on YouTube and type that, as you can see right here, you want to also install a plugin called vidIQ. It's a free plugin. So all you need to do is come over to Google and type in vidIQ Chrome extension, and you want to click on the first link right here. So if you click on that, you will be able to download this plugin for absolutely free. All right, so once you have that downloaded, as you can see, it's going to show you the views that this video are getting an hour. As you can see, these videos right here are getting a lot of views. All right, so you want to come over to the first video right here. So I'll be taking this one as an example. So all you need to do is click on this video. All right, so then you want to come over to the comment section of this video, and you want to sort by the newest. All right, you don't want to go over to comment that has been made 4 months ago or 3 months ago. All right, you want to go for people who made comments recently. As you can see, this one made a comment 42 minutes ago, this one 6 hours ago. So basically you can see right here, a lot of people are making comments recently. So as you can see, this person right here is saying, I do all but nobody subscribes. As you can see right here, it's obvious that this person is still struggling with YouTube. So these are the type of people that you want to reply to. So you want to go through the comment and look at those who are, struggling with their YouTube account. And you want to keep in mind that if you reply this person right here, the comment will remain on this channel, and every other person that comes to this video, they are going to see your comment, and they are also going to click the link as well. All right, as you can see right here, this is a simple comment that I made to this person right here. I understand the struggle with YouTube. It can be extremely difficult, especially for YouTubers, but take a look at this guide if you have free time. It was a huge help for me. All right, you can see it's simple, straight to the point, and this person kind of feel like you understand the struggle they are going through on YouTube, and it doesn't look like a spammy comment and stuff. So basically, and like I said, once you make this comment, other people will come to this video. They are also going to see this comment as well. And if you can get just 50 people from this 50 people who come to this channel to click on your link, if they go over to your page right here and they complete your CPA offer, you are making money for absolutely free. So basically, this is one of the easiest way that you can use to start driving free targeted traffic to your content locker. All right, so basically this is the step that you are going to repeat for other videos on this page right here. So basically, you want to go to these other videos right here and you want to repeat the same step. So I am going to show you another method that you can use to drive traffic if you don't want to reply, comment, or you can use these methods in conjunction. Basically, you want to go over to these people's channel and send them an email. As you can see right here, if you have the vidIQ plugin, it's going to show you the number of subscribers that this accounts have. So if this person is watching this video, definitely they are trying to grow their YouTube channel. So what you want to do from here, you want to click on this YouTube account right here. All right, so if you click on this account, you want to go to the about section and see if they have an email address. All right, as you can see right here, they have an email address. So basically what you want to do from here, as you can see, you can just basically view the email address and send an email to this person with this content blocker. All right, so basically that is the second method that you can do. So basically those are the two methods that you can use to start driving targeted traffic to your content lockers and start making money with CPA marketing for absolutely free. So that brings us to the end of this video, and if you find any value, please leave a like on this video. If you have any questions, drop them down in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.